Hi everyone, my name is Tan. Today, I will be presenting communication in software development project. I will walk through my research process, the challenge I faced, the strategies I used, how I designed the infographic, and what I learned about communications in my future career field. The purpose of this project is to understand the different types of communication in the workplace, especially in software development field. Besides, it helps students to learn how to present information through an infographic. In this slide, I would like to talk about the research and source. To support my project, I found sources such as academic research, websites, and I used my personal experience from my internship this year. In this slide, I would like to share about the challenge I faced during the project. So, the first one was that there are many sources about communication in general, but only a few of them focus on software development. Because of this, I had to carefully select the most relevant information. Also, it was challenging to turn detailed research into a simple infographic, and I have to make sure the infographics stay clear and visually engaging. To do the project effectively, I applied some strategies. One of my strategies were to compare the information from website with my personal experience during my internship to determine which sources were reliable. I also used academic research to support my projects. Moreover, I organized my idea to make it easy to convert this information into infographic. And this is my final infographic. I chose a white background and a black text to make it easy to read. I also kept the color and the font consistently throughout the design. Besides, I organized the layout in a clear way so is easy to follow. In these sections of the infographic, I used icon and image to show the five main types of communication in software development. I chose this visual to make the information easier to understand and more visually appealing for the audience. So in here, the first one, texting. Texting is the most common way team members use to discuss bug fix and ask for help. The second one, face-to-face meeting. It occurs a few times per week to help team members demonstrate problems and solutions and propose projects. The next one, emails. Emails are often used to communicate with clients and managers, make announcements, and send reports. The next one, reports. Reports are sometimes prepared for clients and managers to demonstrate the project's progress. And finally, proposals. Proposals are sometimes made to suggest the plans. In this slide, I used a bar chart to show data from an observation study conducted in 2011 on how often communication methods are used in software development. The next bar chart is based on my personal internship experience in 2026. I chose the bar chart because it allows me to compare multiple methods clearly and make the information easy to understand. In this slide, I used icons of communication platforms like GitHub, Slack, Discord, and Zoom to represent popular tools in software development. I also include a pie chart to show the percentage of employers who value teamwork and collaborations. I chose this chart to clearly emphasize how important collaborations in this field. Through this project, I learned how to communicate information more clearly. I also learned how to present information in a concise way by using infographic. And more than that, this project helped me to improve my soft skill, especially communications and organization skill. And that's all. Thank you for watching.